Hi guys, today we are introducing you the concept of Apple iPhone SE 3. Fresh detail about the potential Apple iPhone SE 3 have surfaced, and it is not good news for fans hoping to get their hands on the smartphone in 2022. It appears the third generation iPhone SE want to be ready until 2024. In the meantime, a 5G variant of the 2020 iPhone SE, iPhone SE2, will fill the gap. Apple affordable iPhone SE range will clearly disappoint many who may have hoped for a handsome iteration of the device in 2022. According to the tipster, the iPhone SE that had been linked with having a similar form as the iPhone 11, iPhone XR, but with a smaller display has now been penciled in for a potential 2024 launch. This model, which has been colloquially called the iPhone SE 3, may do away with the familiar home button, thus leaving the iPhone SE 2024 with more screen real estate. However, it appears Apple is not is disappointed its iPhone SE fan base completely this year and is planning on releasing a revamped second generation iPhone SE, which is also known as the iPhone SE2 and iPhone SE 2020, with 5G compatibility. This potential iPhone SE 5G iPhone SE Plus will also apparently boast of a spec bump over its 2020 counterpart but feature the same design based on the iPhone 8. The spec bump is open to speculation with some expectation it could include a slightly tweaked Apple A15 Bionic SoC. There have been conflicting reports about the iPhone SE 3 over the last months, with respective display expert Rose Young also stating that the phone had been pushed back to 2024, while sources on Chinese social media had claimed the third generation iPhone SE was coming in 2022. Hopefully, Dylan's latest tweet about the compact smartphone range will clear up some of the obscurity that has been surrounding the future of popular devices. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.